Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm having issues with the MPP Solar issue. So I'm making a video about it because apparently no one else has had this issue. So what we're gonna do here is to go into the menu and we're gonna go to 28. Now you can't switch that while it's on. So I didn't have to switch it off. And now I can enter that. Okay. So that's what it runs on. So I'm going to turn this one back on. Now I'm going over here to this new one, turn it in on, and then turning it to here, turning it off. Now I'm turning it to number 28, and I have 2P2 on that one. Okay, that's what this one is supposed to have. So that's what's going on. My older unit doesn't have those two options. The newer unit does. So it's set, it's ready to go. I just need to figure out what's going on, why I don't have those two options on this unit. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do a reset on this. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Then I'm gonna have to go through all the settings and redo them all back to what I need them to be because it's gonna restore defaults. Hopefully, I'll end up with the options I need to get this thing in the right mode. Okay, here we go. I'm getting a bunch of solar power. I came in here, it was cloudy, but I just need to get it done. And this is no fun at all. I'll turn off my solar. Then I go into here. I probably shouldn't show this because hackers, I don't know, they can be able to do it. Alright, so now I'm going to settings, restore defaults, restore defaults. Restore to the defaults. Probably done because now I should turn it off. It obviously worked because it's beeping now. But it's the 28. That's the one. 3P1, 3P2, 3P3, SG1. It's the same problem. So here we are in 28. Here's all the options that are showing up. Yes, I went through it a bunch of extra times. Just to clarify that this was, okay, so now I gotta go through my settings here. I gotta get in here and get all this, oh shit. And now I gotta go, battery, well, let's here, start at 1. Okay, and number 2. Maximum charging current. 140. Oh shit. Ah! I'm already messing up. I want SBU on this one. SBU. And on number 2, I want that. Number 5? There's no number 3. There, I want user. There. And then number 6 is stable. Okay. 7, auto restart when temperature occurs. We're just going to leave that. 50 hertz. Now we're at 60 hertz. And number 10, operation logic. Now, I'm just going to leave that on that. Maximum utility charging is 20. Okay, and it's the same utility source. This is, that really doesn't matter. Yeah, because I don't have a utility source. Battery, 54 volts. We want to bring that down to 51. The power out the end. So now we're at 16. Priority. That doesn't matter. Alarm control. We'll leave the alarm on now since I have the right battery. I used to keep it off because I was always in fault mode. Beeps. Wait. I just turned the beeps off. Bypass function, bypass. Volt charging. 25, 25, battery, 56 What is this? Volt charging voltage. you can see why I don't like dealing with the settings like that. That was no fun. And I still don't have my system working because this unit is missing options. What a bizarre world that is. Okay, we're back in business. So I can go turn off the generator because I got light. Thanks, like and subscribe. Peace.